Hey, how you doing? It's Tom again, and I've got another hearing aid device. This one is specifically for listening to TV. And this is from RETEKESS. It's the TA008 TV headphones. And it's normally sells for $99. They have it on sale right now for $79. And there is an additional $10 coupon available. It's a 2.4 gigahertz system, so there's not going to be any delay between what you're seeing on TV and the audio. This is the charging cable, cradle. I'll get it right in a minute. This is one of the cables it comes with. This is for hooking to a TV that has fiber optic output. Mine doesn't have that. This is another one. And lastly, this is what I would use because my TV has these RCA jacks. So you use this plus that. You hook it to the base station, which does the transmitting to the wireless headphones. Now, they also give you 2 batteries that's used in the headphones, and they're rechargeable. Right now, it's in the cradle, and it has fully, let me zoom in here. It has fully charged, indicated by the green light here. It was red, now it's green. So the battery is fully charged. Over here is the various listening modes or tone modes. You can set it to heavy bass, balanced, or heavy treble just by pushing this button right here. And this shows you the indications of which mode it's in. Okay, let's take it out of the cradle. Now I need to move back because it's pretty long. Let me go back some more. I can't quite get it in my camera. I don't want my camera to fall on the floor. But there it is. There you go. So you plug this into your ears. They give you additional ear adapters to fit to your ears. You plug this into your ears like this, and you turn it on-off switches right here, and then you can adjust the volume right there to whatever you like as far as the volume. You can also have it act as just hearing aids. And you can push this button, and now it's got microphones, and now you're hearing enhanced surroundings, what's around you, people talking to you, whatever. So it not only works with the TV, it works as a hearing aid, standalone hearing aid. I'm going to put it back in the charging cradle. I'm going to look at my notes here and see if I missed anything. It has automatic shut off. So if there's nothing coming, no signal coming from your TV for 5 minutes, it automatically shuts off. Save your battery. And then I think it will go into the mode where it's acting as a hearing aid. I believe that's true. It's good up to 100 feet. 100 feet between the transmitter, which you put close to your TV and hook it up with one of those cables, and the remote wireless earphones. So it's pretty simple to set up, pretty simple to use. I've used it for a little while, and the only thing I didn't like, and that's because I have very, very sensitive ears, it was a little heavy. And the way I personally solved that is my big TV is down in the living room, and I've got a big lounge recliner. And so what I did is I reclined, and then this, instead of hanging down, was laying on my chest, and therefore it was not pulling on my ears. But like I say, I have very sensitive ears as far as things being pulled or in my ears. That's about it. They, like I say, they're having a sale right now for Mother's Day. Would also be a great Father's Day or Grandpa gift for people who are having hearing problems. Mild to moderate hearing problems, not severe hearing problems. It's not for people who have severe hearing problems. It's for mild to moderate, just like the other earphones I showed you a couple of days ago. That's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will put a link to these in the description below my video. And I want to thank RETEKESS, who I have bought a lot of their radios, and I really, really, honestly, Why do people say honestly? Because I'm trying to tell you this is, I'm being honest. Like their products. I really like their products. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.